Alright, just completed this 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Customer came in and we upgraded the factory stereo. Bam! Look at that. Real nice. There you have it, the Horizon 12. This works from 14 to 19. GMC, Chevy, Silverado, Sierra, 2500, 3500 HDs, 1500s. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You got the volume knob. You've got the flush mounted mic for the Bluetooth hands-free calling and talking. Retains factory reverse cam. There's that 65 Impala convertible. That's a nice one. Retains all the steering wheel controls. So all the factory features get retained. OnStar, if you had Bose. It's a pretty nice unit. We can get in here and you can check out all the little options. You can add multiple cameras. You can add iGo navigation, HD radio. You got vehicle info, which tells you PSI on the tires. I believe if you open the door, it tells you the door is open. You got gauges. Show you all your gauges. Your performance. Off-road. Pitch and roll. Compass. Drivetrain. If you're in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. You got user settings. You can change a whole bunch of different settings. You can go back to that. Maybe we can swipe. If you do like a DM810 DSP, it'll all work through here. You can also do the RGB rock lights through here. Turn them all in and off. You got accessory switches you can add for light bars or anything like that, which is pretty cool. HDMI. You got the little knockout that gets installed. USB-C, USB-A. Pretty clean. If you had a Denali or High Country, you know, your heated seats and all that would go there. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. You got different presets. Different little widgets right here. You can set all that up. Not bad. Time and date. Cool deal. For the different cameras you can add. Very nice unit. We do a lot of these. They fit like a glove. They're super clean. There you have it. Horizon 12. We're the authorized dealer here in the Central Valley.